Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, I think yesterday's video already pointed out that we're likely in this circle wave 4. So only focusing on the shorter time frame in this video, we talked in the last few days about the idea that Bitcoin topped in a wave 1 here on the 13th of July. That was the Thursday, where we had this spike at 31,860. And we were waiting for this wave 2 pullback that might have started exactly yesterday. Actually did exactly what we wanted, so price did exactly what we wanted, even on the smaller time frames, which is always challenging to forecast, but Bitcoin followed. We had this wave 1 down, this wave 2 up, which was on Friday. Then within this circle wave 3, we had another 5-wave move. This bottomed likely yesterday. We were waiting for another low, but I highlighted it will likely be choppy. It was choppy, as you can see, a lot of overlapping price action, and then a very strong and quick retrace, something that many people often refer to as manipulation. In the end, it was just you were prepared for that, because I highlighted it will be a choppy path down. So that means you have to expect quick turnarounds. That's not necessarily manipulation. It's just what the market is like, because we saw it before anyway, right? That you will get this sort of unexpected quick turnaround, and but it's not unexpected because we were waiting for a wave 4 pullback anyway. Now, this move up doesn't look like all of the wave 4. I think the wave 4 here, circle wave 4, is currently unfolding. Alternatively, it could be a B wave already, that we're waiting for after one more low, but maybe it's already unfolding now. And let's see how that plays out. It has already fulfilled the minimum requirements in terms of resistance levels to be reached for a wave 4. Let me just move that across. As you can see, it reached the resistance area. So we've got resistance between, you could say, 30,130 and with an ideal target of 30,420. That's the 38.2 FIB level. Typically the ideal target for a fourth wave, and then 30,650 would be a very long and strong wave 4, but still acceptable for a wave 4. It's only above that level that things are a little bit different, and we would say, okay, most likely we're already in the B wave, because the retracement is too strong for a fourth wave. So it's still going to be choppy, I think, today and so on. We have fulfilled the minimum expectations for the wave 4, but if I go into the weeds here, I would say it is likely to get a clearer 3-wave move, so a little higher, maybe even to 30,420, maybe even to 30,650. So I would pay attention to these levels should we see price go higher. We've got this descending trend line here that I showed you, and price did respect it again. So maybe obviously only when it's broken we get to these horizontal resistances. Until then, price is likely to see some reactions to it, right? But this will break at some point. Just be aware of that. It was important for this 5th wave down because it was an ending diagonal most likely, right? But now we have moved up. Lower high, okay, could be the A wave of wave 4. A move down, okay, higher low, could be the B wave of wave 4, and especially because it looks a bit choppy. So it doesn't make sense to get any more micro here on the micro chart. But we've got 5 waves down here, so A, B, C, and in the C wave, potential 5 waves. But again, if we go too micro, it doesn't make any sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe ending diagonal. So A, B, C, and 5 waves in the C wave. But I wouldn't want to label that on this wave degree. But yeah, then one more C wave to the upside. We can measure the Fibonacci extensions and look at, okay, do we have any more, let's say, clearer targets, right? Because what we can do, we can take the length of the A wave, we can go to the low of the B wave, and we can see, do we have overlaps with any of the resistance levels? Not really an overlap, but we've got the 100% extension at 30,517. So I would pay attention to that level as well. That leads into the resistance area. It's not super reliable, but it's a level to watch. And the 1.618 extension is actually higher. So that's at 30,900. If it gets there, I would only call it a B wave. Then we have clarity that we're already one step ahead. But yeah, at the moment, be aware that the chop can continue. Could be a bit boring. Let's see how this plays out. And if we go below the B wave low again, it would not invalidate this wave count. The B wave can go a bit lower. But if it breaks below yesterday's low, which was at 29,670, then I think we could already be in the 5th wave down, okay? So overall, lower expected still, yeah. Anyway, lower expected in this wave too. the the wave 4 already fulfilled the minimum requirements. Okay, so there is not really a strong tendency for it to go higher anymore because it has done what it needs to do. But the C wave would still be expected at this stage until the market shows something different. And one more low is anyway expected in either the fifth wave of A or the C wave anyway. So the trend is down still. All that we see now, if we get anything higher, would be a corrective move up. So most likely nothing impulsive. So that's my view. Should be pretty clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.